Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel. Viewers, in today's video we are showcasing the mesmerizing silk fabric painting tutorial using the Gutta cone. In this step-by-step guide, you will discover the magic of transforming plain silk into the stunning art masterpiece. Here you will learn the best techniques for applying the vibrant fabric paint alongside the precision of the Gutta cone and the pattern. For the purpose, I have got a kattan silk fabric for shirt, and this is the front part of the shirt on which we create the design. So let's start the design. For painting the pattern, I will use the Gutta cone in 3 colors. The first one is in magenta color for painting the petals of the pattern. So it's a shiny and a bright color and make the pattern so vibrant and beautiful. For painting the leaves, I will use the light green color, and the final and third color is the metallic golden color, and it will be used to create the outline of the pattern. I will use these 3 colors for painting, but you can choose the color according to your choices. Let's now create the design. Viewers, here is the pattern I will use for painting with the Gutta cones. First we trace the pattern on the fabric. Here I trace the design on the fabric and painted the flower part of the design with the Gutta cone in magenta color. I must say here, unfortunately, I could not record the video of this part. So now I am painting the leaves of the design with a light green color paint. So guys, it is an easy and hassle-free technique for painting the fabric. The one who could not able to paint the fabric with the brushes, this is a best option to paint the fabric with the Gutta cones. So all the leaves and the branches of the design will be painted in green. This paint smears smoothly all over the design and not spreading out even. And Gutta cones adds the shimmery look to the design without adding the glitters to the paint. The rest of the design will be painted on the same pattern. So viewers, as soon as I complete the painting, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you can get the notification of my all new videos. As I completed the painting of the leaves and branches, the whole pattern will be painted in the same lines. So viewers, here I painted the pattern completely, and this is what the pattern is looking like. So bright, captivating and shining. For making the bunch more attractive and glittery, I will create the outline of the design with the metallic gold color Gutta cone. So first I will smear the paint in the center of the flower, and then we apply the paint on the outline of the design as shown here. So the rest of the pattern will be outlined on the same pattern. I will add the gold color on the leaves to make them more bright and shiny. Viewers, here I must add that painting with the Gutta cone is permanent and it is not easily washed out with a light detergent. So you can paint your dresses with the Gutta cones without any doubt. And this paint rests on the fabric for the long time. As the painting with the Gutta cones on this pattern is about to complete on the hem of the shirt. And so here is the final look of the pattern. You can see it's looking so bright and beautiful. I created the 2 other bunches on the hem of the shirt, and that's looking so amazing. So viewers, this small bunch I will use to create on the dupatta. I have already traced the pattern on the dupatta. Now I am applying the magenta color of the Gutta cone in the petals of the pattern. The one by one each petal is painted with a magenta color Gutta cone. Here you can see the paint is smearing evenly all over the pattern and it is not spreading out even. You can see the texture of the paint is so smooth, glittery and shiny, and it's quite easy to paint the fabric with the Gutta cone. So finally this small bunch on the dupatta is almost ready. Now I will apply the light green color on the leaves and bunches of this pattern. So here I am applying the paint on the leaves by taking the small amount of the paint and smear it evenly on all over the pattern so that it gives the smooth texture to the pattern as it's shown here. So here you can see it is looking so bright and beautiful. So I will complete the pattern on the same line, and finally it is looking like that, so beautiful, bright and shiny. So viewers, to make the pattern more attractive and bright, I will add the metallic gold color around the boundaries of the pattern as shown here. So the rest of the pattern will be outlined on the same pattern by adding the gold colors on the petals of the pattern will make them more bright and shimmery. So here finally the bunch on the dupatta is about to ready, and it is looking so bright, shiny and amazing. I made such small bunches all over the dupatta, and this is what the dupatta is looking so amazing and captivating. So here is the final look of the dress. Sleeves, dupatta and the front of the shirt looking so beautiful, amazing and shimmery. So I hope you guys will like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.